Let me continue the topic hydrolysis of salt of strong acids and weak base. And in the last video, we have proved the resultant solution is acidic in nature, which means the solution contains H plus concentration, and this concentration is greater than OH minus concentration. So by using this H plus ion concentration, we are going to calculate pH. You know what is the formula of pH? pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H plus. So this H plus ion concentration will be used for the calculation of pH. As we know that KH is equal to H squared C. According to the Oswald dilution law, KH is equal to H squared into C, and H plus ion concentration is equal to root of KH into C. So KH value we can get from the relation between KH and KB. So KH into KB is equal to KW. So KH is equal to KW by KB. Let me substitute this KH value in this equation. So concentration of H plus will be equal to root of KW by KB into C. Let me take the negative logarithm in both left and right side. When we take, we will get minus log H plus concentration is equal to minus log of KW by KB into C. So instead of this root, we can write whole to the power 1 by 2. So minus log H plus is equal to minus log of KW by KB into C to the power 1 by 2. Let me write the term separately by using the rule of logarithm addition identity and subtraction identity. By using the rules, we can write log of KW to the power 1 by 2 minus log of KB to the power 1 by 2 plus log of C to the power 1 by 2. Let me take this minus inside. We will get minus 1 by 2 log KW plus 1 by 2 log KB and minus 1 by 2 log C. So I have taken the power to the front. We have already seen how this log KW, it becomes minus 14. I hope you all know KW value is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. So this KW value, log KW value will be equal to minus 14. So minus log of H plus is equal to minus half KW plus half KB minus half log C. As we know that log KW value is minus 14, let me substitute this. So instead of minus log H plus, we can write pH because it's a formula of pH, right? So pH is equal to minus half into minus 14, it becomes 7. Have you understood? So this 2 and a 14 will be cancelled and we will get 7 plus 1 by 2 log KB minus 1 by 2 log C. So this we will get 7, and instead of this minus into minus we will get plus, right? So this plus has 2 minus. So let me take this minus log Kb has been written as pKb. Have you understood? Minus log Kb has been written as pKb. What is remaining? Minus half, right? So I have written as minus half. I have taken inside the bracket minus log Kb. Already it is there, minus half into log C. Have you understood this? So pH is equal to 7 minus half into minus log Kb minus half into log C. Have you understood? So we got the final equation. pH is equal to 7 minus half. So instead of minus log Kb, we can write pKb minus half log C. So this is the formula will be used to find out the pH of salt hydrolysis of strong acid and weak base.